Hello friends, I have few updates for Laravel 11. Okay, so Laravel 11 is going to be released in the first quarter of year 2024. Okay, so it may be released in January, February or March. Most expectedly it will release on Feb, in the month of Feb, like Laravel 10 also released on the month of Feb 2023. Okay, and its bug fixes support is until August 5th 2025, and its security fixes support is until February 3rd 2026. So it's the another general release. So its bug fixes are provided for 18 months and security fixes are provided for 2 years. And so we already know that for LTS release, for the long term release, the bug fixes are always 2 years and security fixes are for 3 years, but it's the general release, so its bug fixes are 18 months and security fixes are 2 years. Okay, so so new features. Talk about the new features in Laravel 11. So there is no formal update, but there is a few things that we already know about Laravel 11, and one of the thing that is it is the PHP version update. So Laravel 11 is going to be launched with PHP 8.2, so it will not work if you have the PHP 8.1. You must be having at least PHP 8.2 or greater than PHP 8.2 version. Only then you can able to use the Laravel 11. Okay, so later on we are going to study that which version, which Apache server we need to install for installing the Laravel 11. So make sure that your Apache server must be at least PHP 8.2. Okay, so so which website do you like to create in Laravel 11? So recently I have added a poll in which I have mentioned that that you want school management website, if you want booking management or multi-vendor e-commerce or classified or discussion forum and other, please specify. I'm going to show you that still you can vote for the poll. You just require to open the Stack Developers YouTube channel. Here you can click on this community tab. Okay, once you will click on this community, you are going to see the poll at the top, and so far 71 votes have come up, and you can see the maximum votes are coming for the multi-vendor e-commerce website. Maximum students wants to make multi-vendor e-commerce website, and it is getting 52% of votes so far. Still there are around 2 months left, and if you have not voted yet, you can still vote, and maybe we can see a change, who knows. Okay, see, expected future release. I already told you that for Laravel 11, we expect in February 2024, or maybe it is March 2024, but the chances of January is very less. Okay, so so like Laravel 12 will also launch somewhere in Feb 2025. Okay, so now I'm going to explain you the how to install whenever it will get launched, that how to install the Laravel 11. So its command will remain the same. You need to install it with the composer command, and in which just the thing that will change, you need to add 11 instead of 10 at the last. And the requirements, the server requirements for Laravel 11, you are required to install the XAMPP or WAMP server. So you can open this link to install the latest XAMPP server and make sure that its PHP version is PHP 8.2. Okay, so if you are installing the XAMPP server, I recommend that you must have installed the XAMPP server and go for the latest version 8.2. Okay, this one, if you are installing the XAMPP for Windows. Okay, and if you are installing the XAMPP for Linux, then you must go for this last one, latest one, 8.2 PHP version. And if you are going for the Mac, see, if you are having the Mac operating system, OS X, then you must go for this latest version, that supports PHP 8.2.4, because Laravel 11 will only work in PHP 8.2 version. Okay, so after installing this, then you need to install the composer as well. Okay, so I will also show you, like, if in case you want to install the WAMP server. WAMP also is the another good Apache server, give another good Apache server. So you can also install that WAMP server. So for WAMP server, you can go for this one if your system supports 64-bit okay, you can go for this one that supports at least from php 7.4 to php 8.2, and even the php 8.3 is included. So you can go for this one if your system is 64-bit, and if your system is 32-bit, then you can go for this one as well. Okay, so but I personally support the XAMPP server. XAMPP server is better, and you can able to install as per your own operating system. Okay, so let's come back, and you need to install the composer as well. See, without composer you can't run the composer commands, and you will get difficulties installing the Laravel as well. Okay, and installing the packages as well. So the composer is required, and if you are in Windows, then you can open this one, this link. You can open getcomposer.org/download. You can open this link and then can install the composer here. See, for installing the composer, I already added the videos, like I have added for Laravel 10. So the same videos will apply here. Okay, you are just required to open the Stack Developers YouTube channel. Okay, youtube.com/stack developers, and after that just required to search here. The search icon will appear. Let's see, here you are going to see the search icon, and here you are just required to mention here install composer. Okay, then see here, these are the videos. Install XAMPP composer for Laravel 10. So you can watch this video if you want to install the composer for Laravel 11 in your Windows, and you can watch these videos if you want to install the composer, XAMPP and composer for Laravel 11 for your Mac operating system. Okay, so see, same videos, same chapters will work for your Laravel 11 as well. So you can install, just follow and install the composer for your Laravel 11 once it will get launched. Okay, so let's come back here. Okay, so like this you can able to install the composer as well. See, for Windows there is the direct command that you can simply run this command, getcomposer.org/composer setup.exe. It will directly install the composer in your system. In that video I have already explained that how to install the composer in your Windows laptop. Okay, so also for the Mac, I have already added the video, you can just watch that. Okay, so Laravel 11 reference links, these are the reference links. Okay, you can open this one, Wikipedia Laravel. Here also it mentioned that when it's going to launch, when Laravel 11 is going to launch. Okay, here you can see the launch date for all the versions, and here you can see the Laravel 11 is going to launch on year 2024, in the first quarter of year 2024. Okay, and you can also open the laravel.com website. Here also it is clearly mentioned, you can go to the laravel.com website, scroll down at the bottom, and here you can see the releases notes. You can click on this releases note, and then after you can search here. You can check here version 11, it's going to be released in the first quarter of 2024. Okay, fixes is until August 5th 2025, and security fixes until February 3rd 2026. Okay, so for all the Laravel updates, please subscribe to my channel youtube.com/tech developers. Okay, so I keep updating you about Laravel 11 when the date will get finalized, then and also about the new features. See, still there is no official update for the new features, but whenever there is the official update for the new features in Laravel 11, I'm going to update that, and I will also update the final date whenever it will come in my notice. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.